Hi, and welcome to Peak Performance with Dr. Doug. You know, at the present time, the markets really are kind of uncertain about which way to go. Are we heading towards another bull? Are we about to break new lows? Or are we going to head flattish and sideways for quite a while? Truth is, people are always speculating about the markets. It's a game of uncertainty. That's why they're called the markets. Here are 5 things that I believe you can actually do to learn how to take smart risk during uncertain markets. The first thing you can do is look inside of yourself and pay attention to what you feel. We're all human. We all have experiences inside of us that we might not be able to explain, but they tell us about what's going on in the outside world. We call it intuition, we call it gut. My vote is trust those feelings. The second thing, trust the markets actually. Have faith that the markets will generate opportunities for you in the future. You're not going to miss out. There'll always be another trade to make the next day. Number 3, recognize fear. Look for fear in the market's behavior, things like actually overbuying or overselling in the market. When you see overselling, that's actually a pretty good indicator that people are afraid to take big losses. When you see overbuying in the market, that generally means that people are afraid that they're going to miss out on profits. Once you actually know what to look for, you can then do one of 3 things. You can either avoid the market entirely, you can actually ride it out if you're already involved in the market, or then you can possibly fade the market if you want to participate. The 4th thing you can do, trade to make money, not to be right. This is so critical to trading success. It's not about trying to be smart, it's about making money. Do what the market's paying, do that more often, and stay with the process. And the 5th thing you can do, love to take a loss. Losses are your friend, they're not the enemy. You have to look at losses like profits as a necessary and essential part of this trading game. And remember, even the best traders in the world are right only about half the time. Trading really is a game about probabilities and not perfection. I'm confident that if you put these 5 things into place, you can actually take smarter risk during uncertain markets. Thanks for watching this episode of Peak Performance with Dr. Doug. You want to learn how to find your way to great? Come visit my website at drdoug.com, and I'll see you next week.